Hello there! My name is Mr. Roden, and I am a math instructor on the beautiful campus of the University of Guam, home of the UOG Tritons. Today we are going to be looking at the parabola, which is actually the shape of the graph of the y equals x squared function, otherwise known as the quadratic function. And its uses are very common in the field of physics, science, business, you name it, it's everywhere. So it's definitely worth taking a look at and studying. But how is the parabola shape formed? That's a good question. So let's answer that. Now let's look back at our good friend, the linear function. If you think of it as a rope, when it's pulled tight, it forms a straight line. But if you let it hang and give it some slack, boom, you'll see the shape of the parabola because of gravity. Now in essence, any wire, rope, or cable that is left to hang in space forms the shape of the parabola. Now when you drive home from school today, you'll probably realize how many power lines there are on Guam. And when you look up, you'll see literally hundreds of wires floating in space. And after this video, you'll probably say, wow, look at all those parabolas. Now this idea of a hanging cable is used in engineering actually. And you'll see this in suspension bridges. One of the most famous being, of course, the San Francisco Golden Gate Bridge. Now it's easy to see the shape of the parabola in the main cables of the bridge. Suspension bridges are used in places where earthquakes are common because the bridge is free to move as the earth moves as opposed to breaking if it was rigid. Now another place you'll see the parabola is when we study projectiles. Projectiles in physics are basically objects that are thrown into space. And in sports, you'll see this in basketballs, tennis balls, baseballs, footballs, etc. And they all follow a parabolic path. Now projectiles could be anything. It doesn't have to be balls. It could be something like, how about water? As you can see in this water fountain, the water is being propelled into space and it's falling, and it's making the shape of the parabola, upside down. Okay, so by now you're probably getting the idea. So I'm going to stop talking and just show you different places in real life where you'll see the parabola. Here we go. I see dead people. That's nothing. I see parabolas. Why are we whispering? I don't know. My friends like to whisper. But I still see... Shut up!